Okay, so if you turn on the car and you get this error message right here, so have a look what that looks like. See on the right, which is the car's left, that is on, but its counterpart on the right is off. So that's your dipped beam. So in order to fix that, something like that is good. Might be, I don't think it's worth going for the sort of the cheap Chinese stuff. It's not really that much cheaper. These are sort of 40 odd bucks for one. So what's that? Maybe 80, 90 for the pair. Go for these. Don't go for anything cheaper. They just don't last as long, right? They might sort of work day one, but these won't last as long. These Osram ones are pretty awesome. All right, in order to access it, push it, rotate it counterclockwise, and then about maybe 15-20 degrees, and then pull it out. So it's pulled out. This is what it looks like. Sit down. So this is what it looks like in terms of the connector. Try not to touch the actual bulb itself. So you can see it's like sort of a little bit milky. That's where it's popped essentially. If you actually turn it on, it'll try. You'll see sort of some action happening here, but obviously it doesn't work. So obviously sometimes, you know what, it's always worth sort of swapping the two bulbs over, because it could be the igniter on the other end of this cable that's actually. So the way this went in was, as you saw, sort of this way, and then you sort of rotate it backwards, just disconnect it, just sort of pull onto that. Pretty straightforward. Put that aside, take out a new bulb. Obviously that's protected, try not to touch the top. Actually might remove it from the bottom, mate. So take it from here, so you're not touching the glass part on that side, and reconnecting it up. Pretty straightforward. It only really goes in one way, so beautiful. So it's got this little, okay, so the way we want to put it in is essentially this way. Put it with the little mark at the top, and then obviously remember it's angled slightly, so sort of a 10 degree with the clip at the bottom. Once you put it in there, rotate it back clockwise. So in here, sort of 10 degree, push it, and then it will sort of clip once you put it to the sort of 12 degree place. And put the cover back on. Pretty similar in terms of color temperature. I usually try and do both at the same time, so I guess the longevities are matched up, but it's up to you. And that's it. Too easy. Bye.